Ready to ditch the templates and craft a truly unique online store that screams you. Let's dive into using Adobe Dreamweaver to customize your Shopify store. First, you'll need Dreamweaver installed. Understand the features such as design view, code view, and file management. Think of the design view as your visual playground. Code view lets you get under the hood and modify the very fabric of your site. Next, head over to your Shopify store. You'll need to find the theme within your store that you want. Download your current theme's code. Make sure the files are zipped. This will be your design's raw material. Open Dreamweaver. You'll need to create a new site in Dreamweaver and import your zip file. Once you've done that, go to File Manager. Your theme's files will appear. You can now begin editing the CSS files to change the look and feel of your store. Select the area you want to change visually. Dreamweaver lets you edit visually or modify it using the code view. Click on the section you want to modify. You'll see the corresponding code appear. Here's where things get exciting. You can adjust colors, fonts, layouts, anything you can imagine. Now, let's switch to code view. Start your edits and refine the design. You can see how the header will look in the design view. Once you are done modifying the design, you'll save these files back in your Shopify theme editor. Locate the sections where these edited code files live. Open your storefront, and you're well on your way to making your store stand out. Now go design the store of your dreams.